Okay everybody, I'm here with my 2006 Nissan Titan XE 4x4 and I'm going to show you how to adjust the e-brake. If your e-brake has gotten to the point where it's not doing much, there's a way of adjusting it here at the rear of the truck that I'll show you. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And note that this same procedure is pretty similar on a lot of these trucks. So here we go. I've taken the tire off of the truck, I've jacked it up, I have jack stands for safety, and I have taken the caliper off and the brake pads off because I'm going to be doing the brakes as well as part of this. There's some other videos I have on the brake, the change of the rear brakes, and I'll also show you a video here on the wear being uneven on these rear brakes. That'll be upcoming. But for now, if you're just looking to make your e-brake work again, there are two choices. There's underneath the pedal, inside the truck, underneath the e-brake pedal, there's a little star nut, just like the one you see here, that you'll spin and you can tighten it down in there. I found that usually doesn't do a whole lot. That tightens your cable slack. But this little star nut in here, you can see, hopefully it's getting dark right now, but see it's turning. You can adjust it tighter or looser, and that will make your e-brake shoes tighter or looser correspondingly. If you look at mine, as I do this job, I'm thinking it's probably time to just replace the e-brake shoes themselves as well. But if yours look pretty good and your problem is just that your e-brake's not working anymore, if you turn this in such a way that it extends the piston, makes it longer, that should give your brake shoes better contact and your truck will have an e-brake again. So there you go, it's really simple. It should only take you 10 minutes in the driveway. If you have questions, I am happy to answer them. I always respond in the comments. And like I say, please like and subscribe if this helped you. I post lots of Nissan Titan videos and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, everyone.